sa iba na ayaw niyo akong iginisin. Ay, susun mo tayo. Hey, the word is here, man. Hey. Hindi ka. Just go.
Please pick a hero.
$3,000 worlds, and not a single worthy foe.
I have to go be done. Live and special death rock, corpse god of war, tyrant, starring Ashura King. Joke lang, I'm Englishman.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
No.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them. Beware all troops deployed.
You're up.
Feel my wrath! Who here is worthy?
So I have to make here. I'm recording.
Tear them to shreds!
First blood.
The worst
You have been
Oh
slain.
no, I got
Launch attack.
defeat means nothing.
Executed.
executed.
An ally has been
So
slain.
let's get the
An ally has been
news.
slain.
Before we continue, like and subscribe.
An ally has been slain. You have been slain.
I'm so dead, guys. Before we start, like and subscribe. So I'm so worried.
Our turret destroy the turret. Executed.
So I have killed. So I try my best.
I'll show you what fighting really is.
Our turret is under attack.
I have enjoyed. Sorry guys, I'm just now. I don't know how
With invincibility.
Ally has been
you what fighting really is.
So let's go.
Turn them to shreds.
Ally has been slain. You have slain an enemy. Killing spree. Double kill.
These blades are my teeth. And I'm all bite and no bark. The worst thing in the world. Having no one to
Destroy the
fight.
turret.
Worthy.
Ally has been slain.
I'll show you what
Ally has been
fighting really is.
Ally has been slain. Slain the turret. Slain.
Blades are my teeth. And I'm all bite and no bark. Feel my wrath!
Your team destroyed a turret. Killing spree.
So long to victory, guys. So in Tagalog,
Who here is worthy?
maaari po sa T-Pies.
An enemy has been slain.
Ibugin bilang
Destroy the turret.
age ko po ay 8 years old.
Ally has
Pwede niyo pa rin ako tawagan.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Ay, ano po?
Slain.
Ano?
Our turret is under attack.
Kabata.
The worst thing in the world.
So,
An enemy has
No
been
one
slain.
to fight.
una natin.
You destroyed the turret.
Ashura!
Mega kill. Triple kill. Maniac. Shut down. Enemy rampage.
Defeat means nothing.
So, kung mga magtataka kayo kung bakit ganito boss ko, kasi bata pa, ay ano po, magtatanda na po ako dito sa part na to. 8 years old po kasi ako. So, start ako dati, yung 2020
I'll show you what fighting really is.
Ally has been slain.
So,
Ally has been
nung
slain.
dati, yung May po, ano po, nagsimula na po ako
Turn that to
Ally has been. You have slain an enemy.
Ashura!
Double kill. Triple kill.
The worst thing in the world. Having no one to
Shut down.
So, namatay na naman po sa part na to. So, wala tayong gagawin ngayon kung makabawi tayo kay Mia o hindi. Half Englishman po ako, half Tagalog po ako. So, bahala na po yung mga kampi ko. Sila na po bahala. Lumaban. Kasi po ako, namatay po ako sa part na pinatay po ako ni
Ally
Mia.
has been slain.
Kaya ko naman po sila, kaso kulang lang po build ko eh.
These blades are my teeth.
So, dapat na tayo.
And I'm all bite and no bark.
Natapusin na dapat natin to, kaso meron problema. Marami na
You have slain an double kill. Triple kill. Maniac.
nakamimiat po tayo sa part na to. So, mabawi tayo. My turn now. So, ayan na po. Nagtatapos na po dito ang video ko. So, bye-bye na po.
Victory.
For watching, like po sila. Ayan. Shoutout po kay Kiyoraka. Sana papansin mo tong vlog na to. Yun lang. Bye-bye! Bye-bye na sa inyo. Mag-quit na po ako dito sa part na to. Nag-try lang po ako. So, hindi ko na kayo vlog. Sa susunod na lang ulit. Bye-bye. Sa busy po ako mag-aaral eh.
Wherever you go.
So, bye-bye na guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.